Today, I'm diving into a wild debate as I try to figure out who really should pay after a bicyclist and a motorist crash on the road. Let's see if I can make the right call like Judge Judy. In this episode, we've got a real clash of worlds. A bicyclist and a motorist got into a crash on a pretty busy road, and both are pointing fingers at each other. The question is, who is really at fault here? Was it the bicyclist who wasn't following the rules of the road, or was it the motorist who wasn't being careful enough? The accident happened on a sunny afternoon when the bicyclist was riding down a lane designated for cyclists. The motorist claims the bicyclist suddenly swerved into their lane, causing the collision. On the other hand, the bicyclist says the motorist was speeding and didn't give them enough space. Both parties are claiming damages, and it's up to us to figure out who owes what. The bicyclist, an experienced rider, says they had the right of way and were following all traffic laws. They even have witnesses who can vouch for their story. The motorist, however, argues that the bicyclist was being reckless and didn't use hand signals when changing lanes. It's clear both parties are convinced they did nothing wrong. Delving deeper into the testimonies, the bicyclist provides evidence of the motorist's speed and a video recording from their bike's camera. The motorist counters with photos of the bicyclist's damaged bike and witness statements that suggest the bicyclist was swerving before the accident. The motorist also brings up a point about road safety laws, stating that bicyclists are required to use designated bike lanes and not ride in the middle of the road. The bicyclist argues that the lane they were in was designed for sharing and that they were within their rights to ride there. As we consider the testimonies and the evidence, it becomes clear that this case isn't just about fault. It's also about road safety and understanding between cyclists and motorists. Judge Judy always says that the truth lies in the details, so let's examine the key factors. Judge Judy's pivotal moment of decision-making involves weighing the evidence and considering the actions of both parties leading up to the crash. She emphasizes that responsibility on the road is shared and that each party must act reasonably to avoid accidents. Judge Judy points out that while the bicyclist had the right of way, their actions right before the accident could have contributed to the collision. On the other hand, she criticizes the motorist for not taking adequate precautions when approaching a cyclist. The judge rules that the motorist must pay a significant portion of the damages due to their speeding, but also fines the bicyclist for not properly signaling their lane change. The outcome isn't just about who pays, it's a lesson in road safety and mutual respect. In the end, both parties learn a valuable lesson about road safety and the importance of being aware of their surroundings. The bicyclist and motorist leave with a better understanding of what could have been done differently. If you've got thoughts on this case or any other legal disputes, drop them in the comments below. Check out my other videos for more deep dives into complex cases and the law.